Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the WhatsApp. Your account is restricted right now. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get start. First check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And go to home screen, go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp and check update your WhatsApp app. My WhatsApp app already updated to the latest version. Okay, done. And open your WhatsApp app, go to profile icon and scroll down, tap on help and feedback, tap on send feedback and your problem. Now enter here and tap on gallery or photo icon, tap on your problem, select your problem and scroll down, tap on send option and waiting a 24 hours. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.